Hey guys, Flaming Gamer here, back with another YouTube video. This is day 2 of camping, and met some friends here. Say hi.
Hey.
That's Kyra, Lost Soul 24. Go see some creek videos in this YouTube video. And up there is this boy over here, sister. She's not paying attention to the vlog. So yeah, I know. No subscribers and no views. Yay!
Yo, there's a bird nest in the water.
So yeah, we're just gonna do some dumb stuff.
In the water.
Let's be quiet. There's a camp net site over here. There's someone else's campsite. It's not ours. They're just talking in there. Little vlog for you. Trying to make this vlog longer this time. There's a view of the lake. If you guys wanted to see that.
I'm gonna be recording some Zoom. There's a free basketball. Yo, Tucker, you know what we should do? We should make a combined channel, Tucker.
We technically are.
Lost Gaming.
Lost Gaming.
Sounds fun, doesn't it?
Well, I don't know where your sister's going, but I'm gonna catch you up. Hey, brother, gotta say hi to the vlog. You're not gonna say hi to the vlog? Heh.
Okay, go fishing.
Another vlogger over there. Hey, vlogger vlogging a vlogger. You can only know vlog life.
And we're gonna be doing another creek vid. This is day 2 of camping. We got these kids. Go fishing. Get ready to go.
You
fishing.
actually gonna go
I
fishing?
actually almost fell in the lake yesterday. I was holding.
That's some good fishing.
I was holding my phone.
Professional fisher right here. Do not mess with him. With her.
I was fishing.
Okay, guys, we got some kids over there, boy. Can be quiet. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, cool. No one to speak. Apparently, these people don't know how to speak in this camp.
Yeah, well, look at that.
Okay, professional fisher. What's step 1? How do you fish?
You hit the fishing rod.
Okay, that's professional fishing with a girl.
So when you scare the fish away, and then you have to lure them. No, you scare the fish away. You scare the fish to the other side, then you go to the other side. Yeah, and then they get.
Hey, look. Hey, bro. There's a bobber.
Yeah. So you scare the fish to the other side, and then they're scared.
No balls. You won't swim over there and get it. Nah, bro.
Hungry. I would get it.
Hey guys. I'm not gonna do anything. Or we're just gonna leave that there.
Are we actually gonna vlog or what, dude?
I don't know about you. You can do your creek video. I might have to end mine. Because mine's.
Hey,
I don't do creek.
I'm gonna go fishing, like actual fishing. Let's do some creek fishing. That's called boring fishing. Oh, what's that? Is Pennywise in there?
Say hi to YouTube.
Howdy.
No subscribers. Yay.
Okay, you want to go back to the creek that we were at?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the creek. I might not vlog the whole thing. Go to Lost Soul 24. He'll be vlogging the whole thing. I'll be only vlogging part of it. This is
We're
front
gonna be
view.
taking a walk up to the creek. So, you walking, I biking. Dude, I can't freaking record.
What happened?
I have too many videos.
Remove some. Continue vlogging. Well, Lost Soul 24. He's gonna clear some of his old videos, I guess. And he's gonna start vlogging the creek. But I'll turn back to you guys later. Bye, gamers.